Okay, good morning y'all. So today we are finally installing the rear bash bars from Focus Fab. Yay! Because I finally got them powder coated last week, and then ever since then I've just been kind of lazy on just putting them on because I've been busy with school and work. And with those two combined, I really don't have time except for Sunday. I was gonna wait until my spring break, but that's until like next week. But I have time right now because I finished everything. So we're about to go ahead and grab these from inside the house and slap them on. Oh shit. It is upside down, damn. The front and the other one. All the screws right here. It's just finally exciting to finally put this one on today. I don't want to remove the rear bumper, because if we remove the rear bumper, we might as well just gonna take it and get it painted. I don't even know where my pry tools are. I mean, we could just use a screwdriver for those little lips. They wanted to charge me $1.16 for per piece, and I bought 20. $1.16, and then I told them on their website it says 50 cents. So then we came to an agreement for 76 cents. Still $1.16, bruh. Is very expensive. Okay. Jesus. Trying to get the trim, like, because there's like the fender, there's like the fender liner, and there's the undershroud, and there's like the fender liner, and then it's like weird. Like up in that corner. You'll see it when I get to it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like tucked in here behind this. God damn it. It fell. Fuck. Go to the other side and do the same thing. Camera spotter dial. Let's see if I can do it before it does. But yeah, just get up under here. Cool. Alright. Probably cut to it when it's off. Okay, so just remove this foam piece. Kind of easy. Just pull it. And then we gotta unbolt these for here. Here we have the white powder coated nuts and bolts here. I'm pretty sure these nuts belong on the rear, and then all these 4 bolts up here belong on the front. It's probably just gonna be easy. Bolt back on. The thing I kind of regret not getting is the tow hook. So if I kind of fuck up, no tow hook. Another thing that kind of sucks is I can't really get a good oil cooler because of this damper right here. So I'll need to relocate that. That, or I can just put like this spacers, and if it fits I can just put it in front. Not too sure. Intercooler looks good. There's a couple bent fins. Everything else looks great. And that, just gonna go ahead and remove this bash bar, put on the new one, and then we should be good. I hope it's 10s, man. Easy 10s. It's not. No, it's not. Is it actually not? Shit. I thought it would all 10s. Probably like 12. Oh, it is 12. Damn. Oh fuck, it's starting to fall. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this is aluminum. This shit's hella light. I thought this was like... these were the only hollow parts. Jeez, I got scared. I thought I was gonna die. Illegal. Illegal. Another thing. I thought this was coolant. I'm pretty sure this is washer fluid. I for surely thought this was coolant. The coolant reservoir is right here. I was talking to someone I met yesterday, and I was telling him about the bash bars, and I was like, oh yeah, but the coolant reservoir. No. That's windshield washer fluid. That's the reservoir for coolant. I felt hella stupid. Well, you can kind of see it's already white, but let's get it. Okay, yes, it is white. I kind of did want it to stand out. I was going to get it black just so it's kind of like hidden. But since it is going to be white, it'll stand out more, and it'll be easier to jack up from that jack point stand we paid for. Beautiful. Shout out to True Focus Fab for making this. Really great quality. Amazing dude. Got the rear one from him too. Gonna do that later. This one took way too long to remove. Shit. But yeah, time to put it on and probably struggle. Looks good. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Oh my god, he did a really good job. Use the good old screwdriver on it. Just cut this. It's okay to get it on. I'm just gonna put these on the bash bars. Means I need to take out some of the screws again. For like the third time. Oh god. Everything's on. True test. Will it stay? That's crazy. This thing's fucking amazing. Dude, this thing is really crazy. Holy crap. That thing looks so good. I don't want the undershroud flapping in the wind again. I'm gonna buy like zip ties. Zip tie it through like a couple of these holes and just wrap it around the bash bar. Probably put some of these clips through just so it holds the fender liner and put the undershroud. But every time I drive, it's just gonna want to go down. And unfortunately, that's just how it is. So we're gonna clean up a little bit and then take it out on a drive. Since it's not gonna rain, it's gonna rain tomorrow. I also gotta like cover these DRL clips just so they don't get wet too. So we will see you guys when we clean up and get on the road. Alright, we are gonna go buy zip ties. Just put them on just so the undershroud doesn't flap around, and we're probably gonna go get something to eat. I'm feeling some boba, honestly. Home Depot is just down the road. I'm gonna check if there's some at the Napa Auto Parts across the street. Just went to Napa. Shout out for all the zip ties that I just put to connect the undershroud and the bumper. Actually show you guys. Basically DRL light. So just did it. All the undershroud stuff, I just connected it. That's pretty much it. It should hold against the wind so it just doesn't scrape against the floor. Let's go. Subscribe to the channel.